equations ng mathematics. At kung bago lang kayo sa channel na to, huwag niyong kalimutang i-subscribe, i-like ang mga videos at i-ring ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga video tutorials na ina-upload ko dito sa aking channel. And for today's lesson, ang pag-uusapan natin is how to find the equation of the line. So, in finding the equation of the line, meron tayong apat na condition. So, the first condition is if the given is the slope and y-intercept. Pangalawa, if the given is or are 2 points. Pangatlo, if the given is a slope and 1 point. And for the last given, kapag ang ating given ay x and y intercepts. So in this video, i-discuss natin isa-isa kung paano ba natin hinahanap ang equation of the line given that 4 conditions. So for the first condition, given yung slope and y-intercept. So in finding the equation of the line, given the slope, which is denoted by m, and the y-intercept, which is denoted by b, ganito lang natin siya gagawin. So let's have the example. So we have here, let's say the slope is, let's say 2, and y-intercept is 4. So paano natin hahanapin yung equation given yung slope and y-intercept? So in determining the line of the equation or the equation of the line, ang ginagamit nating formula is y equals mx plus b. So since meron tayong given na slope and y-intercept, ang gagawin lang natin is to substitute the given into the formula. So y equals, the value of m is 2, x plus the value of y-intercept 4. And this is what we call the slope-intercept form of the line. Intercept form. So this is the slope-intercept form of the equation. Y equals 2x plus 4. Pero, kailangan pa rin natin hanapin yung standard form para mas appropriate or mas accurate yung sagot natin. So, in determining the standard form of the line, we use the formula ax plus by equals c. So, kailangan natin gawin yung y equals 2x plus 4 into the form ax plus by equals c. So, paano natin siya gagawin? So, y equals 2x plus 4. Ililipat natin yung 2x dito sa kabilang side. And paano natin gagawin yung paglilipat? We are going to add the additive inverse of the term na ililipat natin dun sa magkabilang side. So, ano yung ibig kong sabihin? Since 2x yung ililipat natin, we're going to add the additive inverse of 2x both sides. So, the additive inverse is negative 2x. So, i-add natin yung negative 2x dun sa magkabilang side. So, it will become negative 2x plus y equals 2x plus negative 2x. So, yung negative 2x dito sa isang side, meron din tayo dito sa kabilang side. Plus 4. Then, magiging 0 na yung 2x since yun naman talaga yung kailangan natin ilipat. So, matatanggal na siya dito sa side na to. And, ang ating final answer is negative 2x plus y equals 4. And this is the standard form. So, yan po yung ating standard form ng equation. And that is how you find the equation of the line given slope and y-intercept. Para naman sa ating second condition, ang given naman ay 2 points. So, paano natin hinahanap yung equation ng line kapag ang given ay 2 points? So, let's have this example. So, find the equation of the line that passes through 2, 5 and negative 2, negative 3. So, how are we going to determine the equation of the line? So, kapag ang given ay 2 points, we have the formula y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. So kapag given yung 2 points, medyo mahaba yung formula. Pero madali lang yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. So, in determining the equation of the line, given 2 points, what are you going to do is to label the points with x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. Since dalawa lang naman yung points natin. So, 2, 5 and negative 2, 3, ililabel natin sila as x sub 1. Siyempre. So, let us label this as x sub 1. This is y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So, okay lang po na magkabaliktad sila. Pwedeng ito yung maging x sub 1 at y sub 1. Ito rin yung x sub 2 and y sub 2. Okay lang yan. Parehas lang sila ng magiging sagot. Pero, huwag niyong gagawin na ito yung magiging x sub 1 at ito yung magiging y sub 1. So, hindi pwede yun. Kailangan lang, pwede magkabaliktad sila, pero hindi niyo pwedeng pagbaliktarin yung label na yung unang term is gagawin yung y sub 1. So, hindi pwede yun. Kailangan ang x coordinate x lang. So, since meron na tayong label x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute dun sa ating formula. So, we have here y minus the value of y sub 1, which is 5, equals y sub 2, negative 3, minus y sub 1, 5, all over x sub 2, negative 2, and x sub 1 is 2, times x minus x sub 1, which is 2. So, after natin ma-substitute, isimplify na natin yung mga given. So, y minus 5 is equal to negative 3 minus 5. So, they are both negative. So, pagsamahin na lang natin. So, that will become negative 8. And then, sa baba, we have negative 2 and negative 2. So, pareha sila ng sign. Pagsamahin na rin natin, that will become negative 4. And we have here x minus 2. Then, again, simplifying, we have y minus 5 equals negative 8 divided by negative 4 is positive 2. So that will become 2 times x minus 2. And then again, simplifying, we have y minus 5 equals distribute 2 sa lahat ng terms na nasa loob ng parenthesis. So we have 2 times x, 2x, and 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So we have y minus 5 equals 2x minus 4. So, tuloy natin. So, yung kailangan, ang una natin mahanap na equation is the slope-intercept form. So, para makuha natin yung slope-intercept form, kailangan malipat natin yung negative 5 dito sa kabilang side. So, paano natin ginagawa yun? Again, we're going to add the additive inverse of the term na ililipat natin dun sa magkabilang side. So, since ang ililipat natin is negative 5, we're going to add the additive inverse of negative 5, which is positive 5. So that will become y minus 5 plus 5, the additive inverse of negative 5, equals 2x minus 4 plus 5. So yung additive inverse ng negative 5 is nilagay natin dun sa magkabilang side. So matatanggal na to since ang sagot sa kanya is 0. So, y equals 2x plus 1. And this is the slope-intercept form of the equation. So, yan po yung ating slope-intercept form. And then, we're going to determine or find the standard form of the equation. So, ax plus by equals c. So, following the standard form of the equation, kailangan malipat natin yung 2x dito sa kabilang side. So, paano natin gagawin yan? Again, using the additive inverse, mag-a-add tayo ng additive inverse ng 2 dun sa magkabilang side. And the additive inverse of 2x is negative 2x. So, it will become negative 2x plus y equals 2x plus negative 2x plus 1. So, yung negative 2x natin, meron tayo dito sa isang side, meron din tayo dito sa isang side. So, matatanggal na to since ang answer niyan is 0. So, negative 2x plus y equals 1. And this is the standard form. And that is how you find or determine the equation of the line kapag ang given ay 2 points. Okay, so for the third condition, kapag ang given naman ay ang slope at 1 point. So paano natin hahanapin ang equation ng line kung ang given natin ay slope at 1 point? So in determining the line or finding the equation of the line, given the slope and 1 point, we use the formula y minus y sub 1 equals m, which is the slope, times x minus x sub 1. So yan po yung gagamitin nating formula kapag tayo ay hahanap ng equation given yung slope at 1 point. So let's have this example. Let's say we have the slope 3 and given point natin is, let's say 1, 4. So find the equation of the line with the slope 3 and passing through the point 1, 4. So how are we going to determine the equation of the line? So again, using the formula, substitution. So i-label muna natin yung point natin as x sub 1 and y sub 1. Again, hindi sila pwedeng magkapalit. Hindi pwedeng maging y sub 1 yung 1 since ang 1 is x coordinates. So ibig sabihin, yun yung magiging x sub 1 natin. And yung ating 4 is y sub 1. Then after labeling the points, we can now proceed with substitution. So we have y minus y sub 1, which is 4, equals m, which is 3, times x minus 1, or the value of x sub 1. So na-substitute na natin yung mga given. We can now proceed with simplifying. So y minus 4 equals distributive property. So we have 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And then kukunin natin yung slope-intercept form of the equation. So kailangan natin ilipat yung negative 4 dun sa kabilang side. And for us to do that, we're going to use or we're going to add both sides the additive inverse of negative 4. And the additive inverse of negative 4 is positive 4. So we're going to add positive 4 on both sides. So y minus 4 plus 4, which is the additive inverse of negative 4, equals 3x minus 3 plus 4. So ito po yung additive inverse ng negative 4. So minus negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So dito is y equals 3x plus 1. And this is the slope-intercept form. So this is the slope-intercept form of the equation. Now we're going to find or determine the standard form. So we have y equals 3x plus 1. So transforming it into standard form, kailangan natin ilipat yung 3x dito sa kabilang side. And for us to do that, again, we're going to use or to add both sides the additive inverse of 3x. And the additive inverse of 3x is negative 3x. So we're going to add negative 3x on both sides. So we have negative 3x plus y equals 3x plus negative 3x plus 1. So matatanggal na to since ang sagot sa kanya is 0. So we have negative 3x plus y equals 1. And this is the standard form of equation. And that is how you find the equation of the line if the given is the slope and 1 point. And for our fourth condition, how do we find the equation of the line if the given is the x-intercept and the y-intercept? So paano natin kukunin yung equation of the line? So meron tayong dalawang equation na kinukuha. Una yung slope-intercept at pangalawa yung standard form. So dito, i-discuss ko kung paano siya kunin ng mas madali na slope-intercept form at paano kunin yung standard form ng mas mabilis. So the given here is find the equation of the line with x-intercept 2, 0 and y-intercept 0, 4. So para makuha natin yung equation of the line, kailangan muna natin mahanap yung value ng a and b. Yung A natin is the x-intercept and yung B is the y-intercept. So in the given problem, A is equal to the x-intercept, which is 2, and B is equal to the y-intercept, which is 4. So since meron na tayong value ng A and B, we can now substitute the given into the formula. So we have y equals negative, the value of B is 4, over A, the value of A is 2, x plus the value of B is 4. So we have here y equals negative 2x plus 4. This is the slope-intercept form of the equation of the given. Then, kung gusto natin siyang i-convert into standard form, pwede natin gawin yung method na ginawa natin dun sa mga naunang video in transforming y-intercept form into standard form. Then, kung ang tanong lang naman is, what is the standard form of the equation? Pwede na kayong dumiretso dito sa ganitong format. So, para mahanap natin ang standard form na hindi na tayo dumadaan dito sa may slope-intercept form, pwede nyo gamitin yung ganitong formula. So again, the value of A is 2. The value of B is 4. So substituting the given into the formula, we have 4x plus 2y equals 2 times 4. So that will be 4x plus 2y equals 8. And kung mapapansin nyo, lahat naman sila ay divisible sa 2. So i-divide natin siya sa 2. And for our final answer, that is 2x plus y equals 4. And that is the standard form of the equation. Kung ang tinatanong lang is find the standard, pwede nyo nang gamitin ito. Pero kung tinatanong din is yung slope-intercept form, dito muna kayo pupunta and then you're going to transform it into standard. And that is how you find the equation of the line using x and y intercept.